It is 2003, and the United States is at war with Iraq. Ali, a young boy from Baghdad, watches as the bombs fall from the sky. He is scared and confused, not understanding why his country is under attack. Every day, Ali and his family huddle in their small apartment, listening to the sounds of explosions and gunfire outside. They live in constant fear, never knowing when the next bomb will hit. Despite the chaos and destruction, Ali tries to hold on to his hope for a better future. He dreams of a world where there is no war, where people can live in peace and harmony. As the war drags on, Ali's hope for a better future begins to fade. He sees the destruction all around him and wonders if his dream of a peaceful world will ever come true. But deep down, he knows that he can't give up. He continues to believe that one day the war will end and his country will be able to rebuild and heal. For Ali, the war in Iraq is not just a distant conflict. It's a daily reality that he must navigate. A constant reminder of the fragility of peace and the power of hope.